My next upload for today is with regard to the basis and foundation of the offences that I'm experiencing in a democracy that disrespect the Constitution. So the Constitution respects right to life, right to profession, right to privacy, the right to information, the right to healthcare, the right to family, the right to correspondence, the right to own your own family home, the right to your own wealth, and the right to your identity being safeguarded. So I would be really appreciative if the individuals trying to avoid, deviate, evade, and exacerbate a very serious situation of treason would refocus back to the basis and the actual facts of this matter rather than facilitating any further nonsense that is quite serious, considering there's innocent life after being harmed. So the rights that I'm entitled to are also with respect to my lineage, my bloodline, my heritage, and my family background. The issue of identity theft has been quite serious. The issue of information being manipulated, altered, edited, and refused is also a factor. The issue of my family, most namely my child that I gave birth to on the 14th of the 10th, 2015, being unlawfully withheld from me by the TUSLA Child and Family Agency by means of unlawful care orders issued as of 2017 and ombudsman procedures I commenced in 2017 being ignored, and individuals to this day facilitating further evasion and further avoidance tactics. It's really abhorrent and highly disrespectful to all women and children. It disrespects the family unit, it disrespects the democratic role in modern society, and it disrespects progress. So the issue of healthcare and information and just all the constitutional rights that are there in the document of 1937, it's really quite serious. That individuals would try to maneuver or manipulate the situation in a direction that it's not actually based upon. So I'd really appreciate the Ombudsman and the authorities locating my child. He's a missing person legally. The unlawful care orders have been stipulated and established as such with the relevant bodies, and there has been denial, refutation, and avoidance that is quite disrespectful to my ancestry of McElligott and my son's family and our properties in Ardfert and Kilflynn, and the prospective individuals that are speculative with regard to my farm holdings that have caused very serious obstructions of justice, very serious intrusions, very serious slander and defamation, have disrespected heritage and ancestry that's quite serious. So I'd appreciate the reality-based factors being acknowledged rather than individuals trying to deviate with fallacies and nonsense being further accommodated, as they have been throughout this entire debacle since 2017, where they have intruded brazenly upon a family that they have just disrespected severely. So I'd appreciate the relevant agencies and authorities, and in particular the European Union and the European Court of Human Rights, assisting with locating my son and the issue of property theft and identity theft that I'm experiencing, and in particular the matter of the constitutional offences that I've unduly experienced as a law-abiding citizen, as a private royal, and as a humanitarian and educator. My clean track record has also been tarnished by individuals of slander and falsehoods, and it's quite serious and it's quite insulting to all families, really. So I hope the European Union will be able to accommodate with resolving this issue that has been avoidance, a matter of avoidance for the past 4.5, 5 years.